Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and in this section, we'll be covering the functions in Power Apps in a bit more detail. When working with Microsoft Power Apps, you don't need to have expertise in writing complex application code like a professional developer. However, you still need to express the app's logic and manage its features, such as navigation, filtering, and sorting. This is where formulas become useful. If you're familiar with Microsoft Excel functions, you'll find it easy to develop apps using Power Apps. To create a formula, you'll combine one or more formulas with the necessary and optional parameters. These are some common functions used in Power Apps and their purposes. Filter. This function is typically used in conjunction with tables or galleries of data to narrow down the rows retrieved from the data source. By specifying one or more columns in your dataset to perform a logical test on, you can return data that falls within a specific date range, has a particular value, or was created by the user, for instance. Match. This function allows you to check whether a value follows a specified pattern. You can utilize it to validate if the user has entered a correctly formatted email address, and if not, display a warning message indicating that a valid email is required. This function is particularly useful for conditional formatting. Distinct. This function enables you to retrieve the unique values from a list of data, simplifying the process of creating dynamic drop-down menus that display only valid values for a given column. Math functions. Power Apps features a variety of math formulas for manipulating your data, ranging from simple operations like sum and average to more advanced functions such as add and sin for working with radians.